What is good, everyone? As some of you guys might know, this is Bonelab, a physics-based playground, and I just barely got it. So make sure to like and subscribe because this is my first time, and I hope I don't die. So let's get straight to the video. Yo, I'm a skeleton. So let's get straight to the video. Okay, so I gotta hit this button. Oh, why is it dark? Why is it dark? Why is there a rope? Oh no, this is a hang rope. What do I do with this? Put my arm through it? Oh, please don't tell me. Oh, come on. Oh my god, why does... Nah, am I being out of your tribe? You guys are part of the hood, aren't you? Nah, I'm gonna die, aren't I? Nah, this is not how I play. This is not how I play. How do I get out of here? No. I'm gonna die. No. Wait, hold up.
Stainless steel signature edition blade will cut.
Where am I? Oh no, I do not. Oh, maybe it was a mistake to get Bonelab. Oh my god. Yo, buddy, let me help you out. Oh. Know what this frying pan. Okay, I got a weapon now. How do I grab this? Grab it. Okay. I think I go up here now. This is creepy. Wait, right trigger to crouch? Oh, right trigger and pull down. Okay. Yo, this is insane. Oh my god, this is freaky. Oh, I got an axe. Nah, there is a camera. Break. Nah, I don't want people watching me, even though I record videos. Yeah, no, I can't break it. What's this? Oh. Okay. What the heck? This is... Oh, there's a mug. Yo, man, can I borrow a foot reels? Can I get the other one? Oh, you got some stanky feet. What is this? Oh, sorry. I gotta hand it to you. Is this a sucker? What's this here? What's this? Oh, that's a keyhole, I think. Maybe. Oh. Push it. Wondering what they did. Oh, are you friendly? Are you friendly? Are you friendly? Okay, so. Oh no, gotta grab it. Gotta grab this. I am going. Wait, you know what? I got my frying pan. I don't need no weapon. Yo, let me beat you with a frying pan. Yo, beat you with a frying pan. Okay. Get out of here. Frying pan of justice. says heavy objects can be removed with force. Hiya! Beware of the lava. What lava? Oh, I gotta. Oh, I gotta push this, I think. There we go. Wait, warning, lava. Oh, thank you. Okay, so how do I jump? Oh. Hold the right button and release when you're up against a gap. Okay, good enough. Lava.
Al here was causing a lot of trouble over in Fantasyland. Good thing I showed up, right?
What the heck? Dumb radio. What is this place?
Is a scheduled time where all employees are expected to participate in maintaining tidings, not only for our guests, but for our
Gotta check that. Okay. Down? No. What was that? Ooh, there's a crowbar. Yo, wait, hold up. The physics. Ah! Oh, what are you? Get. Nah, I'll beat you with a frying pan. Take that. I think it's dead. Okay, let's keep going. Caution. Nope. Open. Oh no, open. Open sesame! Gun here. Can I put this light on? It's a gun. Like, it's a gun. Oh, here's weapon. Oh. Wait, how do I... Oh, it's just like, kind of like down shot. What are those? What are those things? Are they friendly? Hey. Hi. What are you grabbing me for? Yo, why you fell? Yo, you friendly? Ow! Yeah, that's what you get. Are you all? Get on the floor.
It may look peaceful out here, but it isn't. There's
Good to
something-
know. So we got crab thingies? No, get on the floor. Die. Oh, crablet! Oh, get off of me! Get off of me! Nah, these things are crazy. I need to get out.
Thank you for your patience.
Oh, a trash can. Get out of... Oh, there's more than one! Ah! What is this? Get off of me! I'm moving quickly. Oh.
Please be advised.
Wait.
Only approved
Double tap to sprint. Oh. I got no ammo. Yo, back shot time. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, can I pick up the trash bag? Yo!
All shipping between
Ooh, what's this thing?
Fantasyland must be marked appropriately.
What is this? Oh, what is it? New weapon unlocked. Sweet. How do I get it?
Please secure all.
Open up! Yo, these freakies! They're freakies! gotta go this way. Oh, by the way, if you made it this far, then we might have to make more than one video about this, because I've heard this may take a while. Electric. Oh, I can't get in. Oh, what's this? Can't get in! Yo, buddy, let me get you a little gun. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Are you sure? Yep, I'm out of ammo. Time to return to the frying pan! You know what? I'll spare him. You can tell he's craplet.
I don't like armies. I want something different.
I don't even know your name. Beat you with your brethren. Oh, I got a hammer. Yo, this goofy on music right here. Where do I go? Do I break through the glass? Is this glass? Ooh, there's a ladder right here. Oh, I'm stuck. What do I grab? I grabbed the vent. Oh, no. What's this? I see you. You know what? You want to see this? Shimmy, yeah. Throwing it back. Okay. What do I do here? Oh, this is a long jump! Oh, no. This is crazy. Okay, so now that we're here, what do we do? Oh, more weapons! I mean, more ammo. Ooh, there's a gun! Oh, it got the laser. Okay, what do? Do I shoot these guys? Oh. I gotta maneuver my way. Where do I go? Oh, hey. Gotta run. Oh, this way. I think I gotta shoot for that. No, I needed that.
Get out of here!
Okay. Okay, this way. I think City District 60. I mean 6. Attack! Gotta move. No. Attack! Oh yeah. Up the escalator. Gotta move. You're not stopping me. Which way is it? Oh, I got no ammo. Great. Open this up. Ow! I just hit something and I didn't want it. Okay, now we go this way. Elevator. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Which one's better? I'll take this one. Ooh, crowbar. Oh, there's nothing. Watermelon! Okay.
Now exiting MidOS simulation. We hope you have a productive day.
Get this crowbar.
You're on your own from here on out, pal. You're on the path to get closer. It's a long story.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, welcome home.
I'm tilting.
Get lobby.
Oh my. Oh no. Get me. Oh, I'm falling. Oh.